Hello student, welcome in e-learning classes. I hope you all are good and healthy. Student, today we will learn about comments. Yes student, comments. It is a very useful parts of programming. Everyone need to learn about comment. So what are comment? Yeah, what is comment? So comments are description lines for the programming code. Yes student, so I will tell more about it. Just pay attention. Here is a programming code. I am writing a equal 10. It means 10 is assigned to a. Again b equal 20. Again it is also can be read 20 assigned to b. And c is going to store a plus b, and write down print value of c. Okay student, now programming is finished. A very useful and very simple programming. Here 10 will store in variable a, here 20 will store in variable b, here value of a and value of b will be added and it will store in variable c, and this line number 4 it will display value of c as a output. So student, just check the output. I am going to run the program. Yes, 30. You have get 30 as a output. Now we are going to start comment. Okay student, suppose here you are going to write something, no any notes for the user key. Here addition happened. Okay, this line, here addition happened. So what you think, if I'm going to run this program after writing this statement, will program run? Write your answer yes or no in your in the comment. Okay, I'm going to run the program. See the output here. Oh, now you can see syntax error at the second last line, invalid syntax, and you can see just above the, you can see last third line, c equal a plus b. Here addition happened. It means c equal a plus b. Here addition happened. This line is going to give you syntax error, which is also known as invalid syntax. So it means कि during writing program we can't write any additional information or anything which is not part of syntax. So how we can write any kinds of description line? Suppose you want to write here addition happened, how you can write? Here comments will help you. Yes student, it is today's topic, comment in Python programming. Student, there are two types of comment, and first is single line comment and second is multiple line comment. So we will focus about single line comment. Make a note, there is two types of comment, single line, multiple line. Again, single line comment is also divided in two type. Yes student, single line comment is also divided in two type, and single line comment start with symbol hashtag. Now see the changes. Here addition happened is written in black color. As you write hashtag just before the comment here addition happened, it turns into green. तो स्टूडेंट single line comments start with symbol has. Single line comment is of two types. Single line comment has of two type. First, it is called line comment, and second it is called inline comment. So what is inline comment and what is line comment? Okay, student. Now see line number first. Here hashtag is there. Single line comment. So this kinds of comment is known as line comment. Line comment contains only comment, and inline comment contains two part, programming code plus comment. So here you can see C equal A plus B, it is programming code, and hashtag here addition happened, it is comment. So the line number 4 containing two part, programming code and comment also. So which comment is written with the programming code is called inline comment, and the comment which is written without any programming code, it is called single line comment or line comment. So we have written two extra parts here and here. So what you guess? The program will run or not? Will it provide any kinds of error? Surely no, because this line which is extra part, it start with hashtag, and here the extra part, here addition happened. This is also written in the form of comment, and comment can be written in the program, but it should be in proper format. So I'm going to run. No error is there. You can see 30 as output. So here it is example of single line comment. Now I'm going to show you multiple line comment, and I will write here A and B. So multiple line comment, I'm going to write comments as a student. Here it is example of multiple line comment, and as a comment I'm going to write in variable A we have store 10, and in variable B we have store 20. Student, here you should write we have stored, but space is not there, that is why I have written store. So student, this two line extra part, if you are going to run, surely you will get error, because these two line number 4 and line number 5 is not in proper format of multiple line comment, so it is going to give you error. So just see the error. If you will press yes, syntax error in second line, you can see invalid syntax. So how to make it correct? Student, make a note, single line comment start with hashtag symbol, and multiple line comment start with double quote opening 1, double quote opening 2, and double quote opening 3. Yes student, and it ends with double quote closing first, double quote closing second. It means 3 times you have to close it, 3 times. Yes student, you can see, if you are going to see it, just see here in the beginning double quote mark 3, and here double quote mark closing 3 times. So student, it is correct format of multiple line comment. You can see now we have written these two line of comment. Just see the output without any error. I'm going to run it. Yes, student. तो multiple line comment start with double quote mark 3 times and ends with double quote mark closing 3 times. I hope this video has make you learn about comment. Student, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and if still any doubt is there, write in the comment. Definitely I will explain all these things. Thank you. Good luck.